Alright guys, we're here at Nemo Tunnel. For anyone who doesn't know, and I mean there certainly are probably plenty of you guys out there, this is an old train tunnel straight through a rock. So we're gonna drive through it because you can drive through it. So we are, our Chaz is back there, I don't know if you can see him. We're gonna put a GoPro probably on one of my fenders and put GoPro mounts on the front and the back bumpers. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. And then we are going to drive through the tunnel. So, if you come out to Windrock, I really do recommend that you come here. It's really, really beautiful. It's by no means a challenging trail. I mean, I'm on 35s. I'm not aired down. You don't even really need to go into 4 high. You don't even need to disconnect your sway bar. But yeah, if you're out this way, it's really, really cool. Really, really cool. There's some gorgeous scenery. There are trains that come through over there every once in a while. And the tunnel's over there. I mean, it basically goes through this big rock there, so.
Alrighty. We on Nemo's, boys.
Voice translation.
Yeah,
The good
boys.
people who are watching. How's the mom and them? So we just went through the tunnel. Right now we're gonna go loop back, and there's this really neat little alcove where there's kind of a cliff face you can drive up to and park next to. So we are gonna go check that out, get some pictures for the gram, and then we'll make our way back to Windrock. So just to the left over there, that's the exit for Nemo Tunnel. And if you hang a very sharp left turn, kind of a hairpin, it'll bring you over here. We've got Jesse going up over there. Yeah, you can barely see it. There's some cliffs up there. And where Jesse's going right now, that is
he's in too high.
by far the hardest stretch of this entire quote-unquote trail. I still maintain pretty much any Wrangler could do this connected and in 2 high.
Yeah.
You might have to switch into 4 high for that little bit, but
no, you can do
that's
it
about it.
You
Yeah.
can do it without it.
Yeah.
I would have run this in 2 high. I would have done it. I'd have do it.
I wanted to use the sway bar disconnect, so I was like, put it in 4 high. So he's in 4 high, and actually the sway bar's not disconnected right now.
Perfect.
Okay.
We don't need this connected.
We're good at this. We're good at this. Honestly, 4 high is really fast when you're doing stuff like this. Gorgeous river down there. You could probably walk down there. I don't know that there's a trail, but yeah, so whenever you guys do make it out to Nemo, most people budget in about a half day. I would say budget at least a half day because there are some really neat little pull-offs and places to walk around, little picnic spots, like this little waterfall kind of area where she's parking up. It's pretty cool. Gonna take a few pics and then we'll be on our way. Take some pics. Love that Oscar mic. So this is the neat little cliff face I was talking about earlier. We're gonna go ahead and walk on down there. Also, it's almost always wet around here and full of puddles, so if you've got like flip-flops, maybe think about picking up some rain boots or something. How's the wheeling?
Was good.
Wheeling's good.
When we all fall down, it will be too late.
Copyright strike. We can just badly dub over that. This is one of those places that, I don't know, it's great for pictures and it's a great little break from just the wheeling. Not that everyone gets bored of the wheeling, but... You're so little!
I'm so small.
Yeah! Are you getting rained on?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it's really, really cool up here. If you can check it out, I recommend. This is a great rock to pose on too.
Going great. That was so done right on.
I know.
The whole passenger seat got ultra wet.
Oh no. Soft top problems, am I right?
No, it's no top problems.
Or no top. That's right. So this is the first trip for my Best Top Trek Top NX, the fastback top. So we took the back windows off. looks pretty good. We flipped the Sunrider portion back, also looks pretty good. This isn't the Ultra, so it doesn't go all the way back, but that's okay because I like the look of this one better, so. All right, Angie's rolling in. Gonna get some pics. Look, there's an obstacle, guys. Oh, snap. Oh, we made it. We made it. We're through. We're good. We're good. Party's over. Time to go home. All right, you guys. We just came out, so this is actually the entrance right there. We just finished the trail. We are going to head back to the campsite, meet up with our friends. We've got a cooler with sandwich stuff. And then we're probably gonna hit Panther Rock. That's a little bit TBD, but whatever we do, you guys will come along with us. So we'll check in back at Windrock. I don't think you people want to see, you know, like us eating sandwiches. So we'll check back in later.